Welcome to Nature Book Review, a video showcasing books on nature and wildlife.
There are animals which are poisonous and venomous. Normally, we confuse between poison and venom. It is used synonymously. Though the effect is same, the port of entry is different. Venom is dangerous when it is injected and comes in contact with the blood directly. And poison is dangerous when you swallow it. It passes through your stomach and then goes to your blood. Then it is dangerous, or it passes through the skin. Normally, poison and venom are a proteinaceous compound because they are generated by the DNA of that species. Therefore, they are species specific. Whereas carbohydrates and lipids are not as potent as proteins. There are different animals ranging from small spiders to the big animals that are distributed throughout the world. So here is the book that tells us about those animals. Steve Backshall's Venom, Poisonous Creatures of the World.
Steve Backshall's Venom, Poisonous Creatures in the Natural World. Photograph of author and different creatures depicted here. Let's go through the book. This is a Bloomsbury publication published in 2007, and this edition is 2017. The author dedicates this book to his parents for a lifetime of selfless support and for introducing me to the wonderful world of wildlife and exploration. Okay, now what are the contents? So chapter 1 is about the brutal toxin. So that tells us about the introduction, definition, what is venom, evolution of venom, how venom works, overkill, that is strength and power of a venom, then valuable venom, how it is used in medical industry, anti-venom, what to do if you are bitten, myths about venom, facts and statistics. So it is the introduction about the overall topic. Then you can see the venomous creatures are categorized region wise. So chapter 2 is on Europe, chapter 3 is on America, chapter 4 is on Latin America, 5 is on Africa, chapter 6 is on Australasia, chapter 7 is on Asia, chapter 8 is future for venomous wildlife. The pressure builds, then there are appendices, then further reading and other books by New Holland publication and index. So you can see there are photographs. This is about the introduction. So you will see the text is arranged in 2 columns without right side alignment. The font is though small but crisp and readable from a distance, and you will see photographs are distributed throughout the pages. They occupy different sizes. Then here is the definition of the venom. What is venom? Evolution of venom, which is important. Then how venom works, a Komodo dragon here. Then the strength of the venom, valuable venom, how milking of a snake is done, venomous snake. This is very important. What to do if you are bitten? Then about the myths of venom, honeybees. Okay, now the region wise, Europe. Now it covers many species per continent, and you can see it is here you can see the description. So there is a recluse spider, scientific name, where found, so it is the distribution, then about the species, then the photograph. So each species is given a photograph and a description. Scientific name is valuable, by which you can search online. Then some of the photographs are probably lab setup, but yes, they are required. Latin America, so you can see a tarantula. Even sponges in the water, they are dangerous. Then Africa. Then there are giant millipedes which are also venomous. Stonefish remains hidden. Lionfish, bombardier beetle, scorpions, mambas, then corals, red-backed spider, even the birds, they are poisonous, you can see. Then a platypus with a poison spur. The language is not at all difficult, it's very much lucid. Then yeah, so this is a Russell viper, soft-scaled viper. So you can see venomous and poisonous creatures are described nicely region-wise with the beautiful description and amazing photograph. And of course, human factor has to be there, like destruction of the habitat, roadkills, then collection, which is very rampant. Yeah, so in the appendix, you will see appendix 1 is about the effects of different types of venom. So there are different types of venom: neurotoxic, which attack our nervous system; hemotoxic, blood; cytotoxic, that is cell toxin; then cardiotoxin, related to heart; myotoxic, that is related to muscle. So how does it work with the example? So you should be knowing which species secretes which type of venom. Then appendix 2 is about the strength dosage comparison of the venom. Yeah, so then there's a further reading, the list is given over here, and more wildlife books by Bloomsbury. It's a kind of a advertisement by the publishers, and the index. So overall, this is a very handy book to tell you about the venomous creatures of the world. It is very colorful as well.